The most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Tom Harris.
And we're still waiting on our first real cold front. Doesn't look like it's going to happen this week. Temperatures were definitely warm out there. Mixture of sunshine and clouds, even a few isolated showers. Right now it's 87 degrees over in the Kingsville area. Our weather bug camera brought to you by Nissan GMC. We're a little bit warmer over here. 89 degrees out at the airport. Winds out of the southeast, 17 miles per hour, so still a little bit breezy. It feels like 97 degrees when you step outside with the humidity. Daytime high was 94. That's 5 degrees above average. Morning low 79 degrees. No rainfall to report out at the airport. 89 is the current temperature in Rockport, 92 in Beeville, 91 in Alice. Still breezy out there with the winds blowing out of the southeast, anywhere between 15-20 miles per hour. Those will taper off early tomorrow morning, but the sea breeze will kick in as we head into the afternoon. Our beach and boating forecast, well, the waves are still going to be pretty high out at the island, anywhere between 3 to 4 feet with some waves right around 5 feet. The bays slightly choppy, and if you are heading out to the beach, a moderate risk of rip currents. We also have a coastal flood advisory in effect for tomorrow morning and overnight, and that means at high tide the water is going to be probably washing up pretty close to the dunes. Here's a look at the combination radar and satellite imagery. Did see the sea breeze going, brought a few of those showers. Now they're starting to taper off as they move over toward Rialitos, but on and off showers. The inland areas got a little bit more activity than right along the coast. Some of these regions near George West, about 1/4 of an inch of rain. Orange Grove, about 1/2 inch of rain. Little Cell, just around the Sinton area, also produced about 1/2 inch of rain. But the real activity is along the northwestern part of the state, but we've got the moisture coming in from the Gulf. That's going to continue for at least 2 more days, so that means on and off showers. Not everybody's going to see the wet weather. They're going to be kind of spotty, but don't be surprised if you do land yourself under one of those showers. Heaviest moisture out into the Gulf. Spotty showers again early tomorrow morning. Then with the sea breeze in the afternoon, much the same as we head into Monday. Heaviest rainfall should be right along the coastal areas. Most areas over the next couple of days, probably less than 1/4 inch of rain. Now behind that front, nice and cool. It's not going to make its way here into South Texas, but 70 degrees right now in Amarillo. Lubbock is at 73. Front traipsing right along the central United States. This is triggering the wet weather across parts of the desert Southwest. This is being fed by a tropical storm. We'll take a look at that in just a moment, but the thunderstorms continue all the way up into Chicago with the threat of severe weather across parts of Kansas and Nebraska. Got a lot of storms out there, but this is the one we're going to focus on. This was a hurricane earlier. It's now been downgraded to a tropical storm, Lorena. That is taking that moisture right up across parts of the Four Corners and into West Texas over the next couple of days. Behind the front, very pleasant temperatures in the 60s, the lower 70s in Portland. Well, still very hot and humid along the eastern half of the nation. Here's a look at our forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy, isolated showers, overnight low of 77 degrees. Tomorrow it's going to be hot again. Look for a high of 95 degrees. 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Fall begins on Monday. Temperatures will start to cool down. A little drier air for the latter half of the week. Jeff's going to have a look at your sports coming up next. Don't go away.